Riding in a bucket of volts, looking out the window, seeing things change before my eyes, and noticing there is no snow. Gray trees in the air with leaves of glass, white grass on the ground that is hard as rock, loud noises and stinking gas coming from a plentiful past. Riding in a bucket of boats. Seeing things change before my eyes. Riding in a bucket of boats. Changing the scenery to what appears to be real because of green stems blowing up out of the earth with caps of yellow, red, and purple, all covered with specks of dirt. One's view is not at all bothered by big rock-like boxes. Instead, wide spaces further than the eye reaches, watching little multicolored creatures. Riding in a bucket of boats, seeing things change before my eyes. Riding in a bucket of boats. Riding on into a natural bliss. Riding on into a non-describable atmosphere, seeming so far and it seems so near. On the top of my vehicle, an element heavier than air, but still bright rays of light, almost shaped as a pear, penetrate the surface. Riding in a bucket of boats. Seeing things change before my eyes. Riding in a bucket of boats. Won't be cannot satisfy the needs I have in me. Walking through the water, wading through the waves, listening to the sound of seagulls silently enraged, swimming through the ocean life which has no final smile. Anyone's embrace doesn't have both life and death together in one. Cannot bring the passion back when it was so long gone. Ooh. Anyone's embrace doesn't seem